We started GDI to solve for systemic issues towards scalable and sustainable impact. Our core belief is to solve for three major issues in the social sector. First, bringing innovation which brings tangible change to the life of beneficiaries. Second, growing leaders of tomorrow by focusing on people growth at GDI. Third, building partnership which amplifies the potential of impact in different programs we take up across the country.
I was one of the first members at GDI and therefore have had the opportunity to help build it from scratch. Initially, everything was unstructured, as every startup is. We didn't have our own office, we didn't have any processes, we didn't have any guidelines which we could follow. But in the last 1 year, we have really grown rapidly. Now we are a 15-member plus team working towards the same vision of transforming lives for individuals and communities. And when I see this team working towards the same mission with the same level of dedication and motivation, it fills me with joy.
Over the last 1 year of journey of GDI, we had maintained very strong focus on two key areas. Number one is the professional growth of each and every individual team member, so that in future they become the social leaders and they become the leaders of the social sector and take the journey forward. And the second is to be more efficient in terms of our operations, but maintaining a very strong focus on maintaining these processes very lean and very simple and not overdo them.
In just a little over 3 months, I've had the opportunity to engage with multiple stakeholders and watch different perspectives play out in a very dynamic ecosystem. The value that we bring in as impact consultants here at GDI is to bring together those varying perspectives and convert that thought into action. My journey of working towards innovation, of improving systems and navigating tech-based solutions has been nothing short of intriguing and one of immense learning.
What GDI really brings to the table is a mission-first approach while ensuring inclusivity and equity to transform the lives of individuals and communities. Whether that is increasing digital access to girl students in Rajasthan or increasing farmers' income in Odisha, we create sustainable and innovative solutions.
So it's been about 7 months in GDI, and there are two things that really inspire me here. Firstly, it's the kind of problem statements that we are currently working on, be it tackling air pollution in Delhi or providing education to children in Rajasthan during COVID, and the kind of impact we strive to create. Secondly, it's the wonderful team that we have on board, and the passion and the excitement each one of us bring to work daily.
To me, GDI's aspirations for the next 1 year are threefold. 1. Do justice to the responsibility that we have already taken up. That is, deliver the impact through our existing projects. 2. Become an organization of choice for government as well as other impact sector leaders, so that whenever they think of an impact-driven organization, they think of us. And 3. Become an organization of choice for the best talent out there who either already work in the impact sector or who wants to switch to the impact sector.